What's up guys, today we are doing a quick tutorial of our app. Over here we can see that we can create a project. I also linked a GitHub repository so my agents know where to push, and over here I just chose a directory where I will work on this project from. So we can create groups which act like a capsule for our agents such that each group works on a different replica of our project. We can also create a group which practically acts as a capsule for our agents such that each group works on a different replica of our project. Pretty simple. We can set a branch for each one. Let me just create a new group template. You can reuse your groups by creating these templates. Keep it simple. You can add a description. We can also select the domain focus. For this one, I will not choose anything because I'm trying to show you guys a simplistic approach to the app. So we have our group. Very cool. We can now add agents to our group. I'll just choose this full stack developer. You can also create your own agent. We have some skills already for you guys here, so you can just use them. Create a code reviewer. I already had one. We can jump in and talk with each agent, tell it what it should do quick. But the real fruit of this app are the issues. So in the case we linked a GitHub repository with this project, we can see our GitHub issues over here. You can also have dependencies between issues. That's a little bit more complex, but for the scope of this video, I'll just assign it to our group, and we can go here on the start workflow button. This is the base prompt. You will have a planner which will plan out what each agent will do to complete this task efficiently. But over here, we do not want our full stack developer and our code reviewer to run in parallel. So what I will do is create this link, which practically says after the full stack developer agent finishes his work, start the code reviewer and let it do its part of the task. I'll just start the workflow. Very simple. Right now it's running, which means the planner, if you don't see anything here, it means the planner is planning what each agent should do. We can see that the full stack developer already started. He's fetching the issue, thinking about what it should do. You can also stop the agent or stop the whole workflow from here. You also have a terminal. We can see you can access anything from your computer over here. When they will finish working, this issue will close on GitHub and locally on the app. There's full synchronization between what happens on GitHub and what happens here. You can also create your issues from inside the app and post them on GitHub through this import button. Yeah, so that's the basics of the app. If you want to start building your own workflows or trying out some new agent skills and see how they work with each other, make sure to download the app. We are in free beta right now. Move quickly because I don't know how much it will be in free beta for, so you have to get that bread. See you guys. Thank you for staying. I hope you'll enjoy the app.